Hey guys, so I decided to update my Frost on Cyber YouTube channel. It's been a long time coming, probably been neglected for quite a long time. Recently I've been on the news, on TV as well as on the radio, talking about different cybersecurity issues, and I've decided now to start adding those to my own channel. I will give a little overview of what each video contains, talk about the interview, some of the subject matter, and maybe in some of them even articulate the point that maybe didn't get a chance to get across in the actual video during the interview. The segments are always short. The interviewers have limited time and questions to ask, and sometimes we don't get enough time to actually elaborate on some of the issues that have been discussed. I think it's quite a key thing that we start educating people, not just in business, but on a personal front as well, around the dangers of cybersecurity. There are more and more cases of fraud out there, more and more cases of artificial intelligence being used to impersonate and, steal money from people. And it's no longer just companies that have to be aware of cybersecurity issues, but a lot of individuals as well. So the channel that I'm starting, I'm hoping will, be a way of informing the public of the dangers out there and help you to stay safe and stay aware.